Good morning everyone. Third day ko dito sa Pilipinas. Third day pa lang. Anyway, graduation ng mga bata ngayon. Punta kami doon. I-join us doon. Umaga si Putput, tapos mga tanghali naman yung dalawa. Good morning everyone. Nandito na tayo sa school ni Putput. Siya yung mag-graduate ngayon sa umaga. Tapos mamayang hapon naman doon kami doon sa school. Yan natin siya. Wala pa yung mga parents, maaga pa. Ayan si Putput ko. Hi! Best friend daw niya yan, oh.
Gamitin mo yung survival pa, hindi ka mamatay.
Mistake. Ito yung school nila, Putput. Elementary and Malug Elementary School. Wala pa yung iba. Masyado pa kasing maaga. Nag-i-start na sila ng marcha. Ano ko sila si Putput mamaya. Magmamarcha na daw sila. Ano si ading ko? Hi!
Barangay ang municipal official and education representative. Let us also give glad hand to the pillars of this institution, the faculty and the staff of the Malug Elementary School, headed by the beautiful Ma'am Sarito Bubawana. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our honorable guest, Ma'am Precious Joy P. Fulton. Bagilan, Rider Day! Mercado, Rachel. Paulino, Reservoir, Siguro, Edmund R.B. Sagandoy, Jada A. Sunshine Award, Shania Ribadoren.
Hello! Kakanta daw yung mga kindergarten. Tignan natin si Putput. Panoorin natin siya. Nandun na sila sa stage. Ayan, nag-prepare. Natapos na yung graduation ni Putput. Uwi na kami kasi maghahanda din kami papuntang Labayog mamaya. Graduation ng dalawang teenager. Kaya samahan nyo din kami mamaya doon. Thank you. Walang mag-video sa amin. Kaya ganito na lang. Yan si Chidi po. Nandun si Ate Nicole. Magpapapicture sila kasama nila yung
And may I also ask the parents please accompany your child as I call on their name.
samahan nyo kami.
And Mrs. Alfredo Alamay Jr. Sophia Rees will also receive Best Research Presenter, Silver. Mr. and Mrs. Ricardo Espinas. Rio Jasmine will also receive Best in Work Immersion. Gamiran Nicole A. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo Gamiran. Nicole will also receive the following award: Alloy Scholar, Academic Award, and Athlete of the Year. Mother with honors, Aquino Chande, son of Miss Rizalita Aquino. He will also receive the following award: Best Athlete of the Year. has finally arrived. Tomorrow, new challenges and opportunities await our completers and graduates that will further test their mettle as improving individuals as they continue with their journey. They may look back to this stage on their life with fondness and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the completion and graduation ceremonies of Labayuk National High School. This has been Diana C. Manahan and Diana Rose Waikondo. Thank you for coming. Congratulations to the completers, graduates, parents, and guests. Ladies and gentlemen, very exceptional.